these now.
We're doing the accent challenge, and I'm from New York, and we live in Alabama.
And I'm from Ohio, but I live there too.
So we're going to do this because only Australians are doing it, and we want in on the fun.
I think that's because I searched for Australian ones.
How do y'all say ensemble?
Okay.
You're going to read the word first.
Ant.
Ant.
Roof.
Roof.
Route.
Root.
Theater.
Theater.
Iron.
Iron.
Salmon.
Salmon.
Caramel.
Caramel.
Fire.
Fire.
Water.
Water.
New Orleans.
New Orleans.
Pecan.
Pecan.
Both.
Both.
Again.
Again.
Probably.
Probably.
Alabama.
Alabama. How do you say that word?
Lawyer.
Lawyer.
Coupon.
Coupon.
Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
Pajamas.
Pajamas.
Caught.
Caught.
Naturally.
Naturally.
Aluminum.
Aluminum.
Aluminium. I'm gonna say GIF for this next one, even though it's not really a GIF.
GIF also.
Tumbler.
Tumbler.
Cracker Jack.
Cracker Jack.
Doorknob.
Doorknob.
Envelope.
Envelope.
And I don't know what this last word is. It says GPOY.
I don't know what that is either.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
You know what else we should say? Crayon.
Crayon.
Because that's how you say that word.
Crayon.
Not crayon.
It's a crayon.
It's a crayon from the coloring box. Can't make me laugh.
Crayons
What are our
my
questions?
favorite. Okay, here are the questions. What is it called when you throw toilet paper on a house?
TPing.
TPing. What is a bubbly carbonated drink called?
Soda.
Pop.
So we're different there.
It's pop. What do you call gym shoes?
Sneakers.
Tennis shoes. What do you call your grandparents?
Mimi.
I had a nanny, and that was
And a Gigi.
Nanny and Poppy. What do you call the wheeled contraption in which you carry groceries?
A cart.
It's a cart.
Or if you're where we live, it is a buggy.
What is the thing called that you change the TV channel with?
A remote.
Or a clicker?
Clicker.
I think these other questions aren't correct.
Just
so I
weird
think
ones.
that's
Like
it.
that vampire werewolf one?
Yeah.
That's a weird question. So that's our American version of the accent tag. You're welcome, other countries.